This is what it should look like. So tonight, Drama Queen is gonna eat 2 plates of food. Yes, guys. Welcome back to the Drama Queen show. It's your girl Cherry, and tonight, guys, as you can see, we are in Cherry's kitchen, and let me show you what we'll be cooking up in Cherry's kitchen tonight. Ooh, guys, I don't know if you all know, but one of my ambitions is to become a housewife. Shh, don't tell nobody. Therefore, I love to cook, I love to clean, I love to wash, and the whole shebang. So cooking is just second nature to me because I love to cook. So tonight in Cherry's kitchen, we will be cooking some saltfish, some renta yam from Drama Queen backyard. We also have some yellow yam, some wheat flour, the tomato, the peppers, the scallion, the thyme, the sweet pepper, the onion, and that's the seasoning that I'm gonna be using throughout the entire cooking. I love to make curry shrimp and pasta. So let me know if you make curry shrimp and pasta, guys. It's a meal that I love to make, and it's a meal that my kids love to eat. So let's get the cooking going on, guys. Shrimp nice and clean, nice and clean. I'm going to use some curry, some all-purpose, some fish seasoning, some black pepper, and some salt. Yes, guys, so let's pick that up quite fast and get the ball rolling. Yes, guys, let's do some more music in a Cherry's kitchen. So at this point, I added the seasoning to the shrimp. It's looking good. It's smelling good. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm cutting up the sweet pepper and the rest of stuff and the hot scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Oh my gosh, it's a vibe. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Anyway, we're adding the pasta in the pot because we're doing the shrimp and the pasta first. So this is me kneading the dumpling, guys. Yes, I use a spoon to knead the dumpling, and then I put on a little thin gloves to do it the right way. Anyway, guys, kneading dumpling, you know, you really need to know how to knead dumpling because me not eat dumpling for anybody, guys. Pasta is all done. Shrimp is ready to go in the pot. Cut up the cabbage, guys, and it's a vibe. Okay, guys, by now you can see I am having fun while cooking. No matter what you do in life, make sure you're not miserable doing it. It's that simple. Okay, guys? Life is too short and life is too precious. Make sure you enjoy whatever you're doing, guys. So you can see we shift the vibration a little bit because we're heading to the stove. And I am wondering, guys, I'm probably gonna have to do 2 videos, part 1 and part 2, because I don't want to make this video more than 15 minutes. So bear with me, guys. I prepared everything. That's the saltfish and the seasoning to go with it. That's the cabbage. I'm going to use some of the seasoning with the cabbage. And the flour, the dumpling. The yellow yam is in the pot, guys, because the yellow yam takes a little longer to cook. And the renta yam, they're right here because they're so soft. Once I put them in the pot and the water boil over it for 5 minutes, they're cooked. And the pasta. So we're gonna get cooking now, guys. So basically that was me preparing the stuff. I think this video is way too long, guys. I apologize. I just wanted to show you how we do it in Cherry's kitchen. Yes, guys. So you know, drama queen hands are clean. Yes, guys. And we are rolling up these dumplings, putting them in the pot. I don't know, guys, if y'all know how to knead dumpling, but I've been doing this since I was a child. So I can close my eyes and knead dumpling, guys. This is what it should look like. We are going to put the cabbage in that pot, guys. Stir fry. Stir fry. Hey. Hey. Yes, guys. I can't sing much or put much music in none of my videos because y'all know that I got right. Yes, guys. So we're going to put the cabbage in there. So guys, I don't like my cabbage soft, so I'm basically just stir frying the cabbage, toss it around for a little bit, and I'm not gonna cook it for too long. That's just how I like mine. Look on the saltfish, guys. Yes, cabbage and saltfish is kind of a breakfast brunch kind of vibes, but me eat cabbage and saltfish any time of the day, guys. Me's a Rasta girl. Me no eat the whole heap of meat, so me do seafood, vegetables, and them kind of stuff there. So I'm putting the shrimp in the pot, and then I'm gonna toss it around for a little bit. I want you to know that I burnt a little bit of the curry in the pot first before I put the shrimp in there, and that prevent your belly from hurting. So right now, you know, we're always listening to music, always a vibe. Check out the curry shrimp, guys. You want to be in this kitchen to smell it. I'm telling you. So I'm adding the pasta in right now, and you're going to see what this looks like in a minute, guys. So let me know, guys, what you think about the cooking so far. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this video. So guys, this is what the curry shrimp and pasta is looking like. Check it out. Oh my gosh. I need to toss it, guys. I need to toss it. I don't want it to burn. I just wanted to show you guys. Hey guys, we are done cooking in Cherry's kitchen, and today we have curry shrimp and pasta. Check it out. We are gonna serve everything right now. We also have salt fish. Yes, guys, we have salt fish in the pot. Also have some cabbage. Yes, guys, we have some cabbage in the pot. And over here we have the famous wheat dumpling, yellow yam, and renta yam from my backyard. All right, guys, let's serve this food and let's go eat. So tonight, Drama Queen is gonna eat 2 plates of food. Yes, guys. 2 plates of food for Drama Queen tonight. Guys, check out Drama Queen plate. Yes. Guys, oh my gosh. Would you come to Cherry's kitchen? Let me know in the comments section if you would come to Cherry's Rastaman kitchen. A little bit of too much oil, guys. However, it is what it is. Alright. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. This is one of the dishes that I cook really, really well. My kids love it, guys. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, let's go eat. Okay guys, I will give you a taste. You can have some. Aww. You get the first bite, guys. If you are ever hungry and you don't have food, reach out to Drama Queen, because Drama Queen love to cook. Before I start eating, guys, let me close this video off. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please leave in the comment section and let me know if you would come to Cherry's Kitchen. And guess what? I will see you on the next video. No guys. No guys. You have to get some of this. No guys, this is no joke. Guys, oh my gosh, the curry shrimp and pasta is sweet. I don't want to put it down. I have to put it down, guys, because I have to taste this one for you as well. But I know that one tastes better, guys. I don't want to take up this one. Sure. Guys, let me taste it for you now. Oh my gosh. Guys, let me taste it. Guys, I think this is a mukbang night, guys, because I'm eating all of this. So I don't know if I'm going to fast forward the video, but I'm eating all of this, guys. Come on, guys, y'all have to come to Cherry's Kitchen. This is no joke. Sorry, guys, but you've been rocking with me since the pot start. Therefore, I think it's acceptable to eat the food, you know. All right, just watch me eat, guys. It's really nice, guys. This guys, sorry guys, if food tastes good, I'm not lie to you, no. It's not because I cook it. Yo, you know what, guys, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because me telling you, if food tastes good. See you later, guys.